So for you, you're saying Sundowns they are 3 years ahead of everyone
Yeah.
in Betway Premiership.
Yeah, I can say 3 to 5 years ahead. Let's say we buy a player for 60 million outside. I ain't got my players case over 10 years with that amount. In South Africa, how many players? Yeah, Chiefs the into ngayisho ngabona ngakini. Chiefs ayikayikinte shintshile that much. The poor season bona. Desingayisho njengoba ngisho kunje bavele basula umlomo nje ngikhapha yabo. Samele babuyele ku drawing board, they must still board. Samele bathenga ama player la. Kumele bathola ama player for unabi. Okay, singathi la ngingamjaji manje ngoba ufike wasebenza ngento ayithole lapha.
Junior Khanye himself, Junior Khanye Khohlwa. So humble, sibonga ilanga man. Sibonga amalanga uphila, so humble. Still with Michael Skapi Zizu Nkambule. Yeah, we're going to have a conversation. Nothing much. Sikhulume nje nge-football generally. Angim-interview mjita kang-interviewe. Yasekaslam, yazi uBromi. Brother from another mother. Yeah. Don't forget, hashtag World Sports Betting, hashtag bet with the best. So humble man, Junior Khanye Khohlwa. Michael Mfana without to waste this card Mfana. Watching EPSL as a whole, kuwe Mfana, I think ngibuze nje from you. Ngoba mina, nama will say, yabo njengoba ngishilo conversation. I'm not interviewing you Mfana okanye mhlambe conversation. Tona, for you, who's the player of the season? Asiqale la. Player of the season.
For me, in the play of the season, I'll give it to Ribeiro.
Ribeiro from Sundowns.
Yeah, from Sundowns.
Yeah, reasons.
Like ubonisile lo mjita kule season ukuthi what kind of a player into uyisilwane man. My players also wabiza ngilwane like uyiyo yonke into akusi player like easy to challenge. Une skill like uphethe yonke into technique phelele lo mjita.
A match winner as well. Yeah, so a player of the season for you.
Angizoyinika yena futhi Ribeiro.
Sure, obvious some reasons so
angizoyinika yena Ribeiro futhi.
A young player of the season.
Le noma kanjani izoba uRayleigh
Mfokeng.
Yeah.
So kunomkotha ama reasons ngaba in this nkotha I think there's a couple of players ama youngsters that I've seen. There's nkotha ukuthi amanye obvious never ama ups and downs and ethola ukuthi team yabo they are not even phela mangawini we can't say you've performed. Yes, overall we can say individually yes there's ithi ngisho nje between this boy unkotha naye Relebogile Mfokeng and Ambogazi just now we can say the defender we can yabona when unika really
I think uRayleigh was established like a player from young age wafika ku PSL like for lenta yenzile play for the national team. That I think uRayleigh uye ngizomnika yona for young player of the season.
A midfield of the season Mfana for you. Midfield of the season.
Midfield umuntu engamnika yona nginganika uTibza.
Mkwena
weSundowns.
Why Tibbs?
Special mjita man like ngendlela adlala ngayo man. It's different to others. Akusi player leli bathi liyafukuza. Elama inkhanga fukuzi kakhulu. Smart, smart.
ihlakaniphile. And the defender of the season?
Ngizoyinika uKhuliso Mudangu.
Oh, Khuliso right back side, right wing back.
Yeah.
Why him?
Uyasebenza la mjita, uyasebenza. Seyila uspanile kule season kakhulu futhi. So I think we deserve.
Yeah. The goalkeeper of the season for you?
Goalkeeper of the season I can give it to China. Sipho China I can give it a goalkeeper of the season. I think now usebenzile na China.
A coach of the season kuba ubani kuye?
So good uyazi vele coach of the season is based on a coach ozowina kakhulu league. So kuzoba uye lo mjita weSundowns uKhadoza.
Okay, but last season or season before last, I think they gave to Penny at Amazulu, if not mistaken, season. I think year before last, if not last season. Ebeka number 2 Mazulu, he was a coach of the season. It's not per se. Yes, true. If to be realistic, coach we need. Especially for me, winning in style, not just winning. Yabo Cardoso nami is the favorite kule pool. Mara ngayibona nje South Africa how they did. I think how they do these things previously. I think year before last, season before last, by Penny, if not last season, yeah, season before last. They give it to Penny with number 2. Yeah, last season they go Manchester, I remember. So yeah, Nyaktola Cardoso. When mawuthi obvious, ngifuna ukuzwa kuwe mina opinion yakho Michael. When ama feelings wakho, do you agree ukuthi Ramchi deserve Cardoso? You agree based on your opinion. Wena opinion yakho.
I can say ukuthi uCarlos njengoba ngento deserve like mongabheka like this year kule season yona ne like avayeka abantu abamphushile uCarlos kanjalo eligini to the limit uzamile uRiviero mara but azange bamphushe to the limit yabo yeah so I think we deserve nangapudlala ne-CAF Champions League final so I think we deserve
yeah for me mfana ngizoba never ngithi opinion yakho mfana and I respect your opinion for me play of the season ntwana. For me, Lucas Ribeiro won a match winner. Yeah, he's got something engatholakali. South Africa, we hardly get these type of players. After a while, with so many players are similar like him previously. Nkhuluma generations ne Keflerime, the list goes on. Yabona Lebogang Mokoena, Surprise Moriri. Yeah, beginning generation, kunama generations. Ugertina kubo Pit Vest. Yeah, I think I deserve a match winner. Surrounded the cream now, we compliment. I think one of the best, got balance, skillful, can score goals, decide the game. Assist. And weight matters most to have Sangla. Assist as well. Mind you, Corridor Nang Cup final, first leg. So it doesn't just assist, it score goals, vital goals as well. Yeah, I'm featuring. I mean, play of the season, Yamniga. Also play of the season. I think overall, yes, Urlebkhele is the closest to him, but a more experienced player. Ribeiro, good corner at the corner. I started, I think, before he came here, Utlale Belgium. I'm featuring Sundowns. I compliment. I mean, Sundowns is a team about more fluid in terms of a passing game.
Comfortable,
yes, so he bring another dimension a team in Yabo. But he reference.
This is the right, like he can play anywhere in attack.
Yeah, versatile, yeah. So for me now, I agree with you. Play of the season for me. And midfield of the season for me, now tips. Because my team sheet, I think each and every coach will love to have Utebo. Even no matter my coach a premiership of wood. All of them they will say Tebokhomle, Tebokhom Kwena, midfield of the season, a link between defense and attack, very comfortable. He has improved compared with Debzalo Super Sport. He performed like big games, Guma Pikombonena Gafcon, he performs. The reasons figure Gafcon, I think semi-final, he played a major role. So my performance AFCON against international players, about like top leagues, and go Sundowns week in and week out. You hardly had about 2 days and I'm trying off consistency. Leader, yeah, I think 26, 27, 28 days. You're maturing high. Technically very good. Can play short, long. Yeah, I'm fair to Michael. Forward pass as well. Can score goals. So I'm fair to for me midfield of the season. Yes. Though Matito Masongai, the boy did very well. But to go by inconsistency, my injury, I think I'm limited. But one of the best talent for me, Lamfana and I was decide game. I think we figure out Pagu Pirates at the spark now. Yabo, it closest. I'm not sure the closest. Yabo, Mangiti midfield, Nyamba like midfield, because that is number 10. So, it's unfortunate now. Njoba ngishama injury amlimazile. Nokumlimazile nokuthi bangawini league. Nokuthi banga ku Champions League baphume ku semi final. But udlalile mina for me uTito Masapati tips. Tips. Yeah, nami I agree with you. Also, for me Michael, defender of the season, I will give it to Smith. Udlalile uKhurish. Indaba uKhurish for me, I think he was a defender of the season for me last season. So this year lo mfana lo iPirates this year ufika step authority mfethu a leader mina makasuka kuMazulu eza kuPirates bengimdoubt kunama player that they perform in certain teams mabafika ku Pirates Chiefs Sundowns bacwila yabo
akenzakala kula matlapa amakhulu futhi it happens.
yeah so udlalile also to azathole to end the place ku national consistency call up na ku national adlale Pirates a leader as well so he did very well for his season so for me he's a defender of the season I take nothing away lento ishoyo Kurish yes Kurish udlalile in fact but Sibisi for me goalkeeper of the season I'll give it to Ronwen uvimbili uChina for me uChina indaba ube namablanda man there are games that I think unesandla ukuthi Pirates somehow ku Champions League iphume I think imlimazeli Champions League second leg stage fright I think somehow semshayile yeah I closest ngizosho futhi ku Ronwen Williams but Ronwen always the best now he's going to Champions League now I'm injury nalama bookings ama suspension I think somewhere now adlala indima mara the best for me compared to China but China did very well for himself one of the best second best in South Africa so coach of the season Caruso for me started ama game 6 for me Sundowns bay leader I think besedlala 6 mar overall did very well mayodlala Champions League final win Betway Premiership he understand these players not much of a difference between him and Rulani in terms of a philosophy though manje ku semi-final ungicakele ngendlela approach game ngakhona leyo yadlala ngakhona so yeah you are right Michael yeah ngibonile ukuthi uvezile ukuthi not then coach yabo
so bona na istrength sakhe like ukuthi ubelivelani because mangathi uyachecka na Sundowns ufike uthole Sundowns vele within the structure ukuthi like bayadlala vele yabo
yeah
so like naye ufikile akafikanga like isikhathi eside ukuthi
yeah.
implement lento afuna ukuyenza so uzovela ukuthi like uthanda ukudlala or uthanda ukwenza
yeah because coach are the best players coach are the best players who knows what to do individual Sundowns ayichintsanga much yabo also well done to him ukuthi amamela buyisebheka bomliba akhipha bo Divine Lungu I'm not saying Divine Lungu is a bad player but he can't play ahead of umliba singa sacrifice also bringing Suarez on the bench kumbeke benchini again and amcale I think well done to the coach for bringing Ulibusa a leader yeah I think well done to him and yeah Michael ukukubuza mfethu Sundowns won the Champions Betway Premiership for the 8 times in a row and it's never happened in Betway Premiership okanye DStv Premiership or Castle Premiership in the history I think they binds the history mfana and it's disappointing there's big teams in South Africa there's Orlando Pirates did very well there's Kaizer Chiefs well done to Stellenbosch always challenging yabo Sekhukhune this year did very well but for you Michael I just ngifuna ukubuza this question do you think Sundowns deserve to win the league let me ask that question to you ucabanga ukuthi Sundowns deserve and how far do you think Sundowns can go and if not gonna go mhlambe ngikhuluma next season which team ucabanga ukuthi next season can win a Betway Premiership
I think kuloko Sundowns we must know one thing about Sundowns when Mtsipe took over ku Sundowns bekangadlali uze lapha azo investor ufaka imali eningi kakhulu lapha for lento enzakalayo because if you remember very well makacala ku Sundowns uzothola Sundowns nama play 60 70 you understand because sometimes it's not all about money ukuthi uyifake ukinvesta ukuthi team ibe grand they were lucky ukuthi babe ne coach efana no coach Pitso because coach Pitso when makathuka over ku Sundowns well was stopping this thing because there are many things that are happening behind the scenes that's why uthola ama coach mayinenkani sheshi hambe enye yabo because now ku Sundowns yazi nazo zikhona into ezenzakala lapha behind the scene understand because if you can check uRulana bekanga deserve na ukuhamba it shows ukuthi kunento ezenzakalayo after kwakho ukusayina uThembi Nkosi Lodge what happened yayibona cala ube ne problem lapho when uLodge makeza ku Sundowns ube ne problem lapho yeah because ubona ukuthi abo Fleming Back nabo uyababona nabo they are there kunabantu abafuna ukubabe lapha ayibabo so
as a technical director
yeah
becomes a business
yeah like senjalo vele wena sizothi siyathanda rasithanda football it's business manje njengoba ngisho ngithi no Dr Patrice Motsepe naye uinvest imali eningi for Sundowns uma ngibheka manje like they are 3 years ahead
compared to
like
everyone
manje kuthi baba match manje is not gonna be easy manje namanje is not gonna be easy because yabo manje bazothola amanye ama-sell manje baya ku-FIFA Club World Cup bazothola amanye ama-funds bazoyenzani basazoya ku-market that's gonna still go for the best players and it's not easy for a team like i-Chiefs and Pirates to go to the market and buy one player for 60 million for me naye Mr. Motsepe yena saluzile ku-football but masingachecka between the two chairmen and this one is different man argument because these ones kunini basepolweni they know if football for them it's business, it must bring profit, it's something that must bring profit so uma uzohamba manje uthenga implayer le-62 million uma ubala ama-cup owadlalelayo per season you must pay players i-team i-grant how much are they giving you for i-grant if you check all of those things you can see that's why Sundowns is gonna still dominate it's also dominate.
So for you saying Sundowns they are 3 years ahead of everyone in Betway Premiership.
I can say 3 to 5 years ahead.
How long do you think, Michael, they can dominate South African football?
Also dominate because
winner this Betway Premiership.
Ishiksazo this card because if you check ile nto yenzeke France banama financial muscle because if manje bangathi bafuna play the best player ku Stellenbosch or kuMaZulu they can get whoever they want even nanoma bangamdingi they can still buy him, you understand? So bona imali is not a problem even if noma bangathi team ifuna 30 million bona will take out bathengi player so uyayibona and then kulawa amanye ama team ayithi akusilula ukuthi bangayenza into enjalo man it's not easy.
Yeah, you are right. I think for me, I agree with you in terms of Upraki and Dr. Ivan Khoza. I think they've been long in this game. And obviously no business. But credit to Patrice Motsepe for him challenge. They need, because tomorrow Michael Connor is thing with them player. If you don't pay players, they're not going to, let alone footballers. Each and every company. If you don't pay your workers, I don't think you will get the job done. You will never have people who are happy. You understand? They will come, samba sawa, body language and stuff. But if you invest in a business, obvious people, you have expectations. So Sundowns, you can have money for it. Well done, Mina, for Patrice to invest. Because he brought something in South Africa before. Buying a player at 20 million. Well done to him. And also, I'm a player now going to results because quality is so expensive, Michael. We need to be honest. Sundowns, you can have money, but you must have the knowledge behind. Credit to Patrice, also to employ abantu abanjenga Pitso Msimang, who created a structure. Team abibe balance. Bringing players about deserve because you bring players because of a philosophy so credit well done to Upet, but mina angithi ukubuyela kulamagama akho Michael mawuthi these chairman which is Dr. Ivan Khoza no Braki they're not gonna do what Dr. Patrice Motsepe is doing. Yes, they're not gonna do, but kunama disadvantages nama advantages. Manje Sundowns here badlala Champions League. As we speak now, they are going to play Champions League final. And if they win this star, bazoba win August 2. So, imali, Michael, we're not saying maybe spend rough, but for me, credit to Dr. Patrice Motsepe. And Chiefs and Pirates, for me, they can challenge because they've got money. It's a conversation. I differ about to Patrice, Dr. Patrice Motsepe. This thing is a business, it can do better. Mhlambe azam ukuthi I reserve some of the money. But for me I think he's doing great by paying players. Tomorrow ngabi nenkinga ama-player thola ukuthi bathaswela and stuff. And and he's doing well team yakhe.
Yeah, I'm sure that's what I'm trying to say when I ukuthi mangikhuluma ngo-Dr. Patrice ukuthi and compared to Dr. Ivan no Dr. Mtaung ukuthi uPatrice when he came to football, he already had money, imali yakhe, not uzoyispenda. and these teams bona bewasurvive through kuphi sponsors njengoba ngisho yena it doesn't mind ukuthi akhiphe like mongabheka like manje njengoba ngisho ukuthi like imarket abantu abaningi abanemali manje babalekele ku-football. That's why uthola ukuthi even if you go to Europe iyayenzakala lento leyo. Uyayibona manje iyayenzakala ngama-Arabians le. Everybody manje wanna go to South Arabia. You understand? It's not easy like ukumeshana nalabantu laba because manje nama-teams now like South Africa yenzani even if a player ivalue yayo izothi 8 million but if i-Chiefs manje ngathi izothi ikhipha leyo mali bazothi hayi asisafuni 8, they will double the amount because they know if you can't pay somebody is gonna pay. You understand? Sometimes even i-player kusivalue yalo uyabona sebali-overvalue because somebody they know ukuthi okay bangafika enye team ithi yamfuna lo muntu they gonna pay that money. Bheka njengale player bathi balifuna lele that boy o-relegate ne-Cape Town Spurs manje ubani uvela bayi lobeka i-captain. You remember what happened isitory sakhona ukuthi i-Chiefs beyenza i-offer ngathi around 8 million 7 to 8 million. What happened? They refused the offer.
Do you think it's true that
Angazi phela ngisho yonke into vele sibona ku-media. That's why ngisho ukuthi like ezinye zezinto ngendlela esizibona ngayo ukuthi like nalama chairman sona lento ukuthi no ukhona ozobhadala kakhulu ukhona ozobhadala kakhulu.
no,
So
I get you,
yeah.
I get you. Do you think the amount players that yes Michael ngimele ngibuze this yabo and when according to when do you think some of the money that they've been paying these players I mean abantwana babantu nabo uNkulunkulu baphi talent and it's their time. Do you think current generation whatever amount we're not going to specify amagama wabo, do you think they deserve what they've been paid? Ngichaza ukuthi they deserve ngikhuluma ngama-transfer mangabe i-players othenga ngabo 20 million or 15 million in terms of your standard of football currently. Do you think players they deserve that?
Mina ngakusho in terms of players like ne mongayibheka lento le the funny part mongayibheka okay sihamba solanda i-player like let's say we buy a player for 60 million outside ayingaka ama-players ke sewathengisa with that amount eSouth Africa. How many players mongabheka singathi siwakhiphile thina ngaphandle ngemali eningi. You understand ukuthi like kula thina but mongathi uyabheka njengamanje Sundowns is bringing players for 60 million. Udlalela 15 million Betway Premiership. Okay, you understand you wanna go further to the Champions League, you wanna go to the Club World Cup. Mara now kumele ubheke isikhwama sakho phela. Angeke isponsor singaya for example 100 million a season bese ngiyothenga iplayer maybe nga 60 million. Uyayibona ukuthi ngizogcina ngirana esikhwameni phela lapho maybe
But Pet phela Pet ezusho Petrus Motsepe the Dr. Petrus Motsepe mina ngine respect nalela time even uBrakim thina abanye sinjengabo Brakim and big respect. I know many Chiefs how structured they are, one of the best professional team.
Best team in Africa.
Yeah. Udlalile boy now.
Yeah, best team in Africa.
Pirates I know as well. The Pirates better they can challenge. For me, after Sundowns, Pirates they've shown in previous that they can buy. Yeah, but they can take out money from whether a sponsor, whether Pirates they can challenge for players. You understand?
Yeah, it's true, but let's check I'm a player about challenge for. Let's check I'm a player about challenge for. Guti, if mabanga pound to pound mamile Sundowns will they succeed?
No, I don't think they will succeed.
I'm sure that's my point. Monga pega na would they sign ama players abazobona ukuthi sizo afford angeke asidurele njengalawo amanye ama player because manje muzohamba uthola iplayer lijam manje uthi ufuna ukulisayina iDiamond. For example, let's say kuvela umuntu athi ufuna ukusayina uMfukeng manje the way is performing. Uzothi malini uMfukeng?
Yeah.
Mangabe bathenga ubani usales or ubani lo
65 million.
65 million. Akusho ukuthi uMfukeng is 200 million
or 200, yeah. 200, 150, 200.
Because mongathi uyabheka uMfukeng is still 20. Should also worth way more than that, you understand? So that's why
when you check the quality, the boy, yeah, kule HRU, yeah.
What happened ngo Adams? I transfer yakhe ukuze asuke ku Stellenbosch ukuthi yayi ku Sundowns. Azange ithathe isikhathi. Ukuthi how much was paid but azange ithathe isikhathi.
So kunento engifuna ukuyibuza Michael. Angithi ukhuluma kunabachita ababalethe ngabo 65 meter and stuff. Beza in South Africa. Do you think we lazy in terms of scouting? If we khona ukuthola uMfukeng at the age of 18 years, because Usales, I'm not comparing but true. Usales lentwana le umfukeng kule age yakwe njengoba usho you if you can sell umfukeng you can sell umfukeng at 200,000 and 150,000. There are many players as well in South Africa. I think for me it's only this guy Ribeiro me I can say is the head of the boy in South African football currently. Do you think in terms of scouting khuluma ngama-team wonke South Africa we lazy to scout because iPirates if izokwazi ukuthola le ntwana and then bayilethe ku-Pirates without ukuspenda le mali bayispende ngabo-Salis bona bo-Ribeiro ucabanga ukuthi u-scouting sethu in South Africa are we doing right thing in terms of scouting in South Africa?
First into engayisho kulapho Agat, before sizo scout first we must have first the right development because we can't scout if there's no proper development because we need to have a proper development ezosinika ama-diamond, we understand. But if you check South Africa kakhulu mina into enginokuyikhalela kakhulu kuSAFA iSAFA idlala irole yayo in terms of protecting lama academy amancane because mongabheka wonke these boys babuya kuphi, they start from the Dusty Street somewhere, you understand. Omunye uqala eSoweto, omunye uqala eDaveyton, omunye uqala kuphi, uqala coach ubani kunenyangkele ne-passion for football ithatha lo mfana yamkhulisa even if lo muntu angana knowledge uyamkhulisa ngaphandle kwe-knowledge uyamthatha uyamdevelop lo mfana masekathi 15 or 17 sekayi-diamond iyavela i-Chiefs, Pirates or Sundowns or AmaZulu or isikhukhula sithatha le ntwana utholani lo muntu loyo. What are we giving back to that person? Because if unga-check okokuqala iSAFA mina into ebengisho these local coaches they must give them school wonke lama-coaching nama-licenses they must give them for free because at the end of the day ayikho into abayiprofitayo but develop ama-player for free and then ama-player wabo bayahamba ayothengiswa abanye abantu, we understand. But if you can give them proper yama-coaching licenses umuntu azi ukuthi from early development ukuthi yini early development umntana ona-6 how do you train a 6-year-old because if uma ungayekazi uzothola intwana umuntu ona-6 years utraina nge-kick off. But if you check really well early ayivumeli into kanjalo, understand. Kumele babe namabhola wabo babe nani in terms of compensation yiphi irole abayidlalayo lama-teams, there's no rules because if you go check manje ku-Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, these teams they don't have under 6, they don't have under 10
and that's where
baqala ku-under 13 bona so ku-under 13 bona bamtholapho umuntu oright are they developing him bahamba bolanda umntwana le or bafuna umuntu one-talent sebafuna umuntu onjani ubani omphekile from 5 years up to 11 years lo muntu loyo akatholi anything abamniki even amabhola or inini resources ukuthi azoyenzani to produce more players,
compensate.
simple thing asithi abamthengisele abamcompensate nga-something.
Yeah, you are right, Michael, because true. For me, ngibuza the question, Fana, because of I don't think we do proper scouting. Right, iqala nge-development, how we develop players, how we support these so-called development teams, from the grassroots, even school soccer as well. Silimazile nje lento school soccer because most of us we have seen about school tournaments, school soccer, and at the early age, some even teams that you mentioned, big teams, they don't have about under 17, under 19, under 15. I can tell. Some about under 19, SAP and TTC. They don't have development under 13, under 15, under 11, under 9, as usual under 4. Because in Germany, I heard in Brazil, they start developing. Farouk told me, he spent 3 years in Brazil. Even Chad, he told me, my son, I spent a couple of years in Brazil, in Spain. They develop players at the age of 4. Right, I think Amanyama team are ready-made. And they're not supporting these coaches, even compensating. Right, Safa made that in the Maya. But Mzile no Stenbok, I speak, the technical director just resigned. My name is dynamic science of you can play my Stenbok as I'm a technical director, but Masom Mamela and I were interview with Radio Metro. I mean, I used to speak to him in person.
I know
So, So it's South African football irritant. So anything from Kubiza. I just want to ask you this. Michael, do you think we're investing a lot in from the Dusty Street of like you think the Dusty Street football? Do you think we investing enough now? Ipola la selection, this team that they are down in terms of standard of football league. Do you think we're investing enough now? Are we investing enough as South Africans?
Mongabheka wona Grootman manje what's happening in South Africa manje kakhulu ngikhuluma nge-South Africa ne in terms of development manje seyabheda because monga-check even manje ne even lama-coaches manje siwafeyisana ne-problem yabona lama mid-year tournaments ayamosha manje Grootman because lots of players manje abasafuni ukudlala ileague sothanda ukugembula than ileague and ileague that's where you develop. Yeah,
ngibuzela leyo question
because if you can check these players you'll tell the player uzwe bathi okay for example uzwe bathi okay eMabuya or eMahlobo or kuphi kuphi kuyadlala kune-tournament
Thembisa.
ya bathi kune-player inswembu you go there mhlambe as i-coach ye-NFD or ye-PSL uthi uyobukele lelo player mufika fani enough uthola iplayer lapha ligibela phezu kwebhola lenzani bathi igasi style okay siyavuma igasi style but do you think umuntu osayine ocoacha i-team e-professional uzomnika i-chance umuntu onjalo umuntu osazothatha ibhola guce phansi ngamadolo ahambe ngamadolo igame on
it's
uyayibona
not football
because mongabheka-ke nalama-owners walama-team lawa avula lona lama-team adlala lamagasi e-football nabo they are the ones who are killing nalo ibhola lethu kakhulu
I'm
because
asking because of that
bathatha these young players bathola i-player njengoba ngisho these coaches are developing these players ne bakhula babadlalisa ileague babadlalisa ileague le ntwana ama-15 16 seyimnandi yani beseza kahle isadlala ileague is developing very well iyavela icoach enemali ithi ntwana mani wozongidlalela sodlala i-tournament kuphi le ntwana seyikhohlwa ileague ngoba ngisho lo sikhulu yena unenyuku nani uyayibona kanti akaboni uzoyibulala uzoyibiza athi mani wozongidlalela ngizokunikeza 1000 uyayibona le ntwana angeke isaphinda hambe uyidlala ileague wherever la bazoyibiza ifuna ukuyodlala seyizobeka imali phambili seyizokhohlwa nge-development yayo yabo so nalento zama-tournament mani mongabhekanga manje zizoyibulala bheka what happened about uXola Mlambo ubonile kwenzakaleni last adlala le kuShaka uShaka next year manje is going for 1 million amateur tournament 1 million
I heard ngale tournament that's why I'm asking that question that's why ngibuza mfana Michael because I see many players they are superstars in these tournaments
yeah
and I see directors bakwazi ukuthi bafike credit to these guys sharp ku grand but mina nginama questions engwa-raise for them abo ukuthi mangithi kuya we investing enough ku development I'm asking because of these directors so called directors nginenhlonipho ebantwini abafuna ukukeep abantu busy yabo who are saving the nation especially these kids but I believe they can do better yabo they can create proper structured development and fund it angazi uyangibamba players that are playing league week in and week out and compensate those players get a proper place proper training facilities proper food and that's my belief because it's a player without the proper rest I was having a conversation last week being invited Sundowns bengibukela idlala neschool sitting with head of development yabo uSembatha ukhuluma izinto ezivital mfethu not in football as a development player balekile ukuresta ukudla yes and ama qualities ukhuluma ngama proper facilities izinto ezitresor ungena emlonyeni usemus mentioned ukuthi ebholweni even if a player uyalibona mhlamba likho ready but you see line idea you find with the player uyalithatha libamba ngeassessment if ihlula lezi zinto ezi3 it's when a player ungathi no boy I know you mhlambe you fail yabona not ukuthi ngeke kuphinde kwenzeke but kulast corner mhlambe for instance ku Sundowns we can't have you so lezi zinto le question engikubuza yona Michael ngikubuza ngoba right I see many directors mfana many for the tournament yakashaka credit to that guy who created that
yeah
but I believe we can do more man as directors yabo that's me ngokubuza the question mangithi when I do think it's are we investing enough in development football
thina only invest in tournaments yabo ama-tournament uyazibona lekhulu zonke ezinenyuku ufind ukuthi mhlambe bheka uthole ekasi eli-1 mhlambe let's say kunama-team ayi-10 likhulu zoyi-10 let's say izinenyuku they've got millions but mongathatha labantu boyi-10 mabangahlangana but okay what can you do for the Dayton let's buy a team for the Vodacom you understand then we can support that team sibone ukuthi how far can we go yebo but in terms ukuthi kuma-tournaments because they know into fast la woza manje uzodlala umuntu akushaya nge-wallet 1500 uyaye egamini yadlala amanceda ukudlala uthenga ukudla uceda ukuthenga ukudla kuthenga utshwala yabo like sekuyimpilo like kuba normal don't need to forget ukuthi if mangadlala mangabe sidlala i-tournament manidlalela 150 i-150 kungaba isalary yami ngiyi-1 into engiyihola per month if I can take myself serious but manje sekuyi-trend ekhasi because mangabheka naley'ntwana ezincane lezi ezincane noma ubukela i-tournament zilandela lama-player la uzothi wena those players obonayo ukuthi akusile bhola abazolidlala ukuthi
balimaza le ntwana
Yeah,
ntwana bayibiza ngobani bani and those players can't even kick the ball
man.
marulala ngamadolo
Shama
technique
dollar
very
into
simple
important ileyo that's why kule interview ngitshela ngithi abantu mangibatshela ngithi ama-Europeans angeke sihlule in terms of football so ukuthi ama-European they like ba-ready baba-ready
taking development
serious investment yabo yonke bayibeka lapha you understand that's why ubabonakela abantu laba-ke baso but in terms of talent they don't have talent abantu thina as Africans we've got more talent than them uyangitshona
justice for cut and paste
phela uyayibona
yeah, all right, Michael, and that's a powerful. Michael, watching Kaizer Chiefs, just going back, we spoke about Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs. How do you see Chiefs one day? We've been criticizing Kaizer Chiefs players. Nama I played there. I know Guti Prendenga Ganani. And Kaizer Chiefs, they recently won the cup. Let's compliment them and the coach. You said it when you interviewed they're going to win, and well done for that prediction. I mean, I thought they will never win there, based on watching Pirates squad. Chiefs, they won the cup, which is in Nedbank. Well done to them after 10 years, and we were on top of those players. Well done to Yusuf Mart as well for doing himself a favor, scoring a final. Yeah, well done to the boy. He's good, but criticized also scored a final, and not being in the top 8. How do you rate this season, Abumfana, for you?
singasho masingathi singasho ukuthi not bad because bawin icup akufana ukuthi
But Magesi ilwinile icup. Magesi.
Yeah, but you can't compare iMagesi neKaizer Chiefs. Yeah, because Chiefs has been winning cups for how many years? But iMagesi like hayi ukuthi asihloniphi ngaba angeke sithi sicompare iMagesi
Kaizer Chiefs.
neKaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, the brand can't even the legacy. Yeah, Chiefs they build themselves a big. Yeah.
It's a big brand in Africa there. Yeah, so angeke sicompare nalabantu but for bona ukuthi at least bawin icup kube nento bathi sula umlomo at least bawusulile umlomo. I think manje nabo bangazama ukuthi ba-investe nyana and buy new players and then sizababona kule season ezayo ukuthi like bayithatha kanjani.
Yeah, for me, well done to Chiefs in pitch.
Yeah.
Asiqalile, well done to Chiefs. Those players. Bengine question squad sabo mina. Overall nje squad. For me, if I was somebody else, I was angry for them. I need to be honest. Also angry at Orlando Pirates. Chiefs and Pirates being angry for one. But Pirates this year, well done. Best attacking team. And without spending much. Talent identification. Well done to Bomqolisi, to Makanya Ngane. Spoke to Ngane last week. Game compliment. Akunale ntwana bombokazi. I know school played a major role, but Pirates for identifying that talent. Well done. Bonkocha.
Bane strategy. Basebenzisa strategy.
Also the Pirates Cup. I think no, we can. That's how they find players. Even other team they now Sundowns and the Super Sport. Sundowns how many Super Sport players it downs. Mara, you need the eyes for you to scout those players. So well done to Chiefs winning the trophy, but disappointing for them not winning the Ipetwe Premiership. Very important. I mean now MTN Chiefs is not there, but Jobu Shobasulumdomo. They won, irrespective of how they won. But they won the trophy. Well done. And well done to those players. And overall, I will give you a chance to ring. Overall, for me, I think credit to them. We were on top of them. But well done for them for winning the trophy. But for me, there's room for improvement. There's a lot. The Chiefs in the cupping about duty. They're going about coachless because how you play determine your future. Yeah, but even the coach, there's a lot of questions about him. That guy at the preseason, Schoolman Unas Renabi, and I think on 9 games, never won any single game. Kulman to a Premiership, but some compliment to win a cup. Yeah, and Mina Michael, if I can say nje season yonke, they never had a good season. Any cup une advantage ne disadvantages because you might think you are on the right because achieve the cup ingayenza ukuthi bangabhayi umuntu. Kunale tendency ukuthi hayi manje sithenga umuntu hayi. I think we are on the right track. We just bring omunye uMorris lo bamthathe ku SuperSport or Chief. I'm just making example. Uthola ukuthi Chiefs they need to change the over njengesikhuluma ngesquad sonke they need to make changes properly including the coach. For me, I don't think it deserves to be there. Yes, he won ikune debation ngiyazi half South Africa. South Africa phela when you won yabo bakushayela izandla, but when it catch up with you and then they say I know we are bad yabo. So yiwo ngibuza how do you rate them when overall ngikhuluma ngesizini yonke.
Chiefs Chiefs the into engayisho ngabona akine Chiefs ayikayiki into eshintshile that manje the poor season bona desingayisho njengoba ngisho kunje bavele basula umlomo njengecup yabo. Samele babuyele ku drawing board, they must still got masamele bathenga ama player lapha. Kumele bathola ama player for unabi. Okay, singathi na ngingamjudge manje ngoba ufike wasebenza ngento ayithole lapha. Ulethe ulilepo abokucela ngeke ngithi ama signing wabo because ucela umuntu besimazi la eSouth Africa vele yabo akusukuthi umuntu like oza naye from umazela from somewhere. So I think if mhlambe bangamnika ama signings wakhe la wa draw right for nyana and then sibone ke ukuthi usiphetheleni before singamjudge ke kulo. Yeah.
But that's your opinion. Enye into mara Michael ngithi kunomlefenseki. We judge him based on that material. Akekho akasayinanga bamsayinelanga phela. And one of the best coach for me, I know Kevin in South Africa bamuza. Ayalazi bola. I mean Kevin I work with him. Angispananga naye close but benginokumbona even players that he produced. Kwanda 2011 ngidlala kuyo. I think he produced so many players. Make head of development Ajax ngikhuluma ngobuswahla Mfundo Chimana Nhlanhla Shabalala. Abolizo Mchemba buya la ezandleni zakhe. The list goes on. There's baning man Samuel Doty. I think they come from him. Also School of Excellence, but at least school nabo TED. Abantu be philosophy level le yabo TED yokudlala ibhola. So technically if you can't play, if you can't rap, you can't pass, you can't move off the ball, but Kevin angeke udlale. So obvious usebenze naye ngalento ayithole lapha. Also mdefenseki with the high profile in terms of ama qualifications anawo. Unseki he once being a coach of Bafana Bafana, a assistant, went to the World Cup under 20. Qualifications on top of this world, one of the best. But now sebenza ngale group bano Kevin and also Atazwane. So the coach, if he's so justifying ngaloko Michael, it's a big problem yabona. I know there's one or two, but if we will justify with that and then kuzoba ne problem for me.
Yeah, ngeke si justify ngaloko but mongathi uyacheck abomtseki ba win. That's the first problem. Azange ba win next nabo babe kule lonto uzuthi ba trophy less, you understand? So lo at least una something. Yabo una something angikhuluma ukuthi okay madoda nithi na 10 years ningawini next. At least ina into mina engiphethe yake nithini. At least nabo basulo sigcinene ni Pirate Chiefs balethi cup.
Yeah. I nami ngimcomplimenting.
Uyayibona lento le. Ngoba nambe ngizwa bathi awunabu uyapheka kanti hayi ubhizi le Nedbank offices uprint imali lo mjidalo.
Yeah,
thina simpeke kitchen thina.
Yeah, going to Orlando Pirates, how do you rate? Because Pirates won a young and experienced assembled team without spending so many millions compared to Sundowns, but they able to beat Mamelodi Sundowns second round of the season. They're able to win the MTN 8. They lost Champions League second round Egypt. Not bad. They score for me. I believe Barcelona managed a game, and Paris did very well for me. Good season, one of the best in terms of attacking. I'm not saying they are better than Sundowns, but attacking, it's very exciting to watch Pirates. In Doana, badlala ngama winger. They went back to the identity. They Pirates as previously. Yabo Kroll playing ngama winger. Abo Cheese Gift. Also by variety game. Abo also attacking in the middle. Tito Maswangai. Mabasa, I don't understand why Beangatlali. I think one of the best in terms of goal poaching, positioning, and master. How do you read Pirates and Fitch when a season?
My Pirates, I think they had a good season on Agi. Ngoba bona like njengobusha bo like uRiviera into ayenzile best is ukuthi abe able ukuthi alethe balance kuleya team yabo. Balance ekhona ke-grand between abantwana abancane nabantu abadala, because if ungachecka they were introduce ngakhona lama youngsters azange warush, ube nesikhathi like to build on them, cala ngoRayile weza ngobani uze like nabo one by one, you understand. Ile nto bengihlala ngisho ngithi one thing about South African football into ebesibulala all these years ukuthi mangina 20 years they still call me a youngster. I can't play njengoRayile, you can't call uRayile manje youngster. He's one of the senior players manje ku-Pirates, because uyazi ukuthi yini responsibility, uyazi ukuthi yini into ekumele ayenze ukuze amelele la Chiefs, you understand. I-youngster manje umuntu esisazomlanda futhi ile phansi esothi woza ndoda-ke manje usacala like ukwenza igama lakhe. Umuntu ofana noRayile njengoba ngisho like seka-key player, and if you check uRayile is not a key player nyana, i-player ngabe manje sikhuluma like he's playing for Bafana at the age of 20. I-player manje is fighting for ama-play of the season for inini yangithola. So it was simple ukuthi aletha bonkothe, it was simple ukuthi aletha boSlep, it was simple ukuthi aletha bombokazi, because if ungabheka ibalance ayilethile it was very good man. Azange nje abaphonsele emanzini nje, ubalethe like ngendlela right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you think they deserve number 2 or they should? Because especially the first round of the season, number 1. I think they move the second round of the season. Because kuna this thing you can't win things in big tournaments, which is obvious. Mina I agree in Pindeng Thief, yeah. Most in Abantaba, I'm talking about the good and talented assembled team experience. Most Ibaba Winnie in Kulmanga big tournaments and stuff. Do you think Pirates being a chance we win the league?
They had a chance. Njengoba bengisho ngibona the only chance ebana iPirates beyikibi league akufana ukuthi besilinde ukuthi uba nathi Sundowns. Yibo bekumele baziphushele iSundowns until isizini iziphela. So bona nabo like I think nale Champions League nabo kuphuma kiyo mana na ngathi ivele yababulala ispirit more.
Yes.
But bona mana baphinde basemble ke team egrand man bona. Even for next season bazo compete.
Ne.
Yeah, bazo compete.
Keeping that team.
Yeah, bazo compete.
In fact, we South African football. How do you rate the South African football this year? Because one, we've got Sundowns that is going to Club World Cup. We've got under 17 that is going to World Cup. We've got under 20 that qualify for World Cup as well. We've got Paris that lost semi-final the Champions League. We've got Sundowns that they're going to play a final of Champions League now. Got Bafana. If you go semi-final league AFCON, also we've got so big chance to go for it, a World Cup. We qualified obvious AFCON already. How do you rate South African football mfana this year for you?
Mina ngisho about South African football into engayishayela izandla ngayo ukuthi like lento enzakala manje into bekumele ngabe yenzakala a long time ago. Like South Africa besinga deserve kulento ukuthi sithola like each and every World Cup bekumele ngabe siyadlala. In terms of junior levels up until to Bafana njengoba ngisho ngi like sine talent South Africa is too much. I-talented esinalo la South Africa, but the problem in ukumonitora the talent lethu yinto enzima leyo, like in terms of ngoba mongabheka I remember the time mangise France ne mongachecka like intona ezincane bebazimonitora ngakhona like bengibheka i-national team yakhona i-structure sakhona samba ngama age like ama 88 87 kanjalo you understand. Shoot okay when uyazazi igroup ukiyo ku national team should mababiza ama 88 bayazi ukuthi okay kule group ama 88 let's say sinepool ama player 60 or ama pool ama player 50 esibiza kiyo, you understand. So into yakhona iba ne continuity. Uthola lawo ama player adlale like under 17, awudlala under 19, awudlala under 20, awudlala under 23, and ubheka ngobuningi babo wathola ukuthi asadlala wonke. Yabo, so ne South Africa njengoba ngisho ngithi we must invest more kuma development wethu, ayikho into ezosivimba. Even winning nale World Cup asingayiwina because i-World Cup asingawina nawo lama World Cup, because if you check in terms of ama infrastructure thina segrand asifani ukuthi sisokola ngento eziningi sinazi izinto, you understand. Manje we need nje ukuthi si-invest nje ku-youth kahle nje.
So you mean the World Cup that is coming now that you can win this manje?
Listen ngisho ukuthi like if
In
you can
future.
in future if you
Oh
can
yes, if you can be consistent in what we're doing now.
We are doing now and invest more. kuma-youth wethu I don't think South Africa singayiwina nayo mina i-World Cup mina nginayo leyo believe leyo.
For me, in fact, the people they are getting away with medals, our coach. We've got Hugo Bros now. He's getting a benefit. Ngimbonile Hugo Bros magafika mina. He was not playing the way he's playing now. He's getting away with the medal. I think Roland Mkwena and Pitso Msimang, they've built a proper structure. Sifike ku semi AFCON because of Roland and Pitso. We've came to semi-final AFCON because of Sundowns. Simple. So this Hugo Bros guy is taking. I'm trying to coach. Make no mistake. But for me, he's getting away with the medal. He's experienced coach. He won AFCON. I remember 2017, 2016 Konalapo. I remember with another country, and well done to the coach. But the way Magafin Mboni the first 1 year, 2 seasons, he refused to call Sundowns players. But when he called about 8 or 9 starters at Sundowns, 8 players go Sundowns in a vital position, and those players are performing. I think that's where South Africa is going to take the direction. I mean, it's a I'm going to share the conversation opinion. Another stuff is when I Sundowns it's a World Cup. Nobody's talking about it in South Africa. I know Parrot did very well. I'm not a fan of Sundowns, but we need to give credit where it's due. They are not at their best currently, but we like it or not, they are going to Club World Cup. It's the biggest tournament buffet around the world. Big team. Look at the teams that will be there. Nobody's pushing that. I'm not pushing them, but we need to be realistic. How they play in fit. Mina ngikhuluma nge-identity because it's a passing game. Each and every season, Michael, and Leonto Leo Michael, I think everybody playing Sundowns, he like it or not, he learns. And well done for Sundowns to set the standard. Angithi mina opinion yami lezi zinto engizishowing ngizibona. And also to Pirates, Hugo Prosman is getting away with the medal. Also Jose Rivero is getting away with the medal na ku Pirates because Pirates did very well. Pirates imsizile ucoach nayo. Ngikhuluma ngebafana. Tito Masongai. When Temba was not there, Tito raised his hands. And if he came there and fit like a glove, about producer Magic under pressure, Utubano will replace Temba, which I believe one of the best talent in Tito. I'm going to compare Marutito as a polar, effortless, and I'm going to pace it. I'm fine with Tinga Pirates performing big games. Imagine good derby against Chiefs, Ukshade a penalty there, Baby Zangan Paneka. Axis, you can take it light, but that penalty showed a big character, big heart. So, coach is Hugo Bros is getting away in a matter. Marna compliment good amamel as at least. And also this boy Lebuchlem Fuking. Bafana regular player. Yes, no Mangabu says but star player for Pirates. And the coach he cannot go for other players from other team, Konur Lebuchlem Fuking. Recent as Colin Bota criminal squad also Mbogazi. CBC played a major role. Ubafana as well, center back. China with Renault. And that's why I think the coach is getting away with the medal. So I watch Hugo Bros. For well done. Good Simnigi going to have but for calling those players. Well done. But I want to spend this card with those players training. It's a marathon. There's trophies along the way, sharp, but it's Pirates and Sundowns well done for me for complimenting a coach with those type of players. Also, Talent Bata is there. Though Mfana Gunama, I believe he can still improve. He's so careless. Angfun Gumateka cool, but Unentek Medas Dungi Sumfana, he's got the energy grant. I think he can, if the coach can work with him, I believe he can improve now if he's willing. So, yeah, Mangit is getting away with a mad coach. Ben Kulman Mangit abantu abanye but they are getting away with medals. And when you think I was supposed to school nature survive think. But their team build those same, and it's painful. But well done, Chinkela Zipola. I don't believe good big Melba Mambisile and I go Cape Town City. One of the best coach hardworking as Spanner with Chinkela Zipola. And it's a pity to lose. I'm a player vital. I need this Kulmang overall PSL. Yeah. Mangithi abantu bageta away namamela ngikhulumela into ezinjalo and naye uthi I'm sure njengoba compliment ngoba uCM awambe ku position I don't think bekumele bangabamreleasile. And you are right nalento eshoyo ukuthi some coaches njengorulani he did very well, he won Betway Premiership, he won Super League Africa, and then they get rid of him. Coming back to you, Michael, I'm asking, is it a good thing in South Africa if the coach doesn't win a Champions League and then they get rid of him? Whether it's Pirates or Chiefs or Sundowns or SuperSport, or it's a question. I'm just asking a question.
I mean, what I can say kuleyo question, it depends on the mentality of the team. You can't say you'll fire me if I don't win the Champions League, but club in one Champions League or two. You can't say that to me. Basically, club is, let's say, in 50 years, or in 40 years, or in how many years. And then I'll go to Al Ahly. Al Ahly, if you go there as a coach, you know very well, those guys, they want the Champions League. You understand? So, I don't think it's just losing a good coach. I win the Champions League basis and fire. Because if we can check very well in South Africa, we only starting to take the Champions League very serious match.
Yes.
Begdlala Champions League it was just anything until Sundowns my winner mayizana lestai wonke umuntu bese kabona ukuthi hayi lento iyafuneka. Yeah, you understand.
Yeah. Yeah, no, Michael Mfana, it's a rap. Yeah, no, thank you, Mfana, for your conversation. I think with the South Africa, direction grand is just as a lot. I believe right development. All the team, I mean, restructure my development. The Chiefs, Pirates, meaning if any development. If the player is not good technically, because these Brazilians, the reason they become so expensive because of they are so good technically. They invest a lot in development. Abo Argentina, abo now Germany, abo Spain. So ngiyabonga mfana Michael, thank you mfana ukuthi ungijoine. Michael Nkambule Zizwa. Yeah, Junior Kanye Khohla mfethu namhlanje sine conversation eBetway Premiership. Though we more focus ku Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, because those teams they've helped us ukuthi national ngikhuluma ngebafana ibe la ikhona. I mean, how many starters at Pirates bafana, how many players who have been called, how many players who are starting kubafana with Sundowns. Also well done to Chiefs for winning the cup as well. 3 teams I believe are good in South Africa: Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns. I think it can be easy for South Africa and Spain must win the World Cup. I think 2010 it was easy. Bekudlala Barcelona and Madrid. Chairman might win a 2014 World Cup. Bekudlala Bayern, bekudlala Leverkusen. Yeah, ngiyabonga Junior Kanye himself, Junior Kanye Khohla. 1520 mfana se David 1520 Brazil, Israel. Namanje. Don't forget #bet with the best #WorldSportBetting on.